Morning, y'all. Last night we got another couple more inches of snow. And it's still snowing on out here. After I plowed out the driveway, I wasn't expecting this morning. No big deal. It's only a couple inches, but it's still snowing. I don't know how much we're going to get today. But what's bringing me out here right now is I came back here to the bathroom. Walked to the back of the house. I used the bathroom back there. Looked out the window. And this is what I seen. I lost a tree last night. And I got to see if it's done any damage to the house. Don't look like it. But it's right on the chimney and stuff. So guess what I get to do? I got to get this cleaned up here. Just remember, folks, if the girls don't find you handsome like me, they can find you handy like me. And if they don't find you handy like me, well, just pray that they find you. Y'all come back now, yeah. Bye.